my name is Miss Mal po from Happy Belly Catering Services. Mag-start na po tayo mag-share ng ating blessings. So, Miss Mal po, by the way, inabot kami ng pangarap po, GMA Afternoon Prime, September 21 and 22 episodes po. Stream nyo lang po sa YouTube, 2.3 and 2.4 million views. Miss Mal aired May 18, 2024, Pepito Manaloto starring Michael V. Abot kami ng pangarap po, starring Jillian Ward, Carmina Villarreal, Son at Anak, starring Jasmine Curtis Smith, River Cruz, Lizelle Lopez, kasama si Miss Gina Alahar. Mag-start na po tayo mag-share ng ating blessings.